Neeraj grew up believing anger was his only shield, the only thing that could keep him from feeling weak in a home filled with shouting, broken objects, and long nights spent hiding from his father's uncontrollable temper. Fear and noise shaped his childhood, and without realizing it, anger became the language he learned best. As he grew older, he carried that anger everywhere, using it to protect himself but also to push people away. Friendships crumbled, relationships failed, and deep inside, Neeraj feared becoming like his father whom he hated most. When his father died suddenly, Neeraj expected relief or rage but instead felt only confusion and emptiness. There was no apology, no explanation, no final conversation to bring closure, only silence that echoed louder than any argument. Weeks later, while cleaning the old house, Neeraj found a worn notebook hidden beneath a bed. It belonged to his father. Inside were pages filled with regret, written in shaky handwriting, confessing guilt for the pain he had caused and a deep fear of losing his son forever. Neeraj read the words through tears, realizing his father had been fighting demons of his own, trapped in a cycle he never learned how to escape or speak about. In that moment, the anger Neeraj had carried for years suddenly felt heavy, misplaced, and exhausting. He understood that pain had been passed down, not chosen. Determined to break the cycle, Neeraj sought therapy, learning to name his emotions instead of shouting them, to listen instead of reacting. Slowly, he began rebuilding relationships he had damaged, accepting that healing was not instant and that some nights the anger would still return. This time, however, he chose to understand it rather than feed it. Years later, Neeraj became a counselor for troubled teenagers, helping them face emotions he once ran from. Neeraj learned that healing does not erase the past, but it gives it purpose, transforming inherited pain into chosen strength.